Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the first video of 12 Days of Christmas. If you don't know already, I'm doing a series which I'm doing 12 looks for Christmas themed. So this first one is a red snowy look. So first thing I'm doing is applying the P. Louise base to my eyelid and also carving my eyebrows out with this. Really love this base, it's such a nice base to hide pigmentation, of course, and also it really helps with pigmentation of the eyeshadows, which is great. I hope my voiceover is good. I decided to do a voiceover because this was I had to focus quite a lot, so talking and doing a cut crease, not a good thing. Okay, so now I'm taking the Morphe X James Charles palette and taking the red shade. I'm not sure what this shade is called, but this red is the best red that I've ever used. It is very red. And I'm just popping this in my crease and making like a winged out shape. Not being too precise as I am going to blend it out and carve out the crease in a second. Okay, so now I'm going to carve out the crease. I'm going to be using the P. Louise base. By the way, it's in the shade 0, which is the white shade. I really want to get the like MUA bundle. Seems I want to create my makeup freelance kit now. And I'm just going to cut the whole crease this time. Normally do a half cut crease, but these are very time consuming. Yeah, my boyfriend decided to come into the scene. Make sure to watch till the end, there's a few bloopers which are quite funny. Okay, so next I'm going to take the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Exit, which is a nice bright white shade, and I'm putting that in the upper waterline. Now I'm going in with the NYX white liquid liner and doing the stars and the snow, which is very like time consuming, so really take your time and focus on this part. This is the main reason why I'm doing a voiceover, because I couldn't talk whilst doing this. Okay, so next I'm taking that red shade and popping that under the waterline, on the lower lash line and on the waterline, because I don't have a red eyeliner. So I just pop this shade on the waterline, and then I'm taking the white shade, which I believe is called Flashback, in the inner corner, just to brighten that area up. And then I'm going back in with the NYX white liquid liner and adding a bigger star on the lower lash line, and also the snow drops as well. Also going to pop this liner on my lashes because I don't have a white mascara, and I thought this worked well. And yeah, that is it for this look. Very simple, very quick, which is great. Please let me know if you recreate this look. I'd love to know. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you come back tomorrow for day 2 of 12 Days of Christmas. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and yeah, I love you to the moon and back. Bye guys.
Super
You're putting your earrings in.
and I dedicated myself to it completely,
Look at them, they're so cute.
heart and soul, believing in its power, believing
Have them
in
in
its
now.
ability to
Well,
get
it
me where I needed to
depends.
go.
Are you going to be doing a presents look?
I thought of nothing else.
Huh?
No.
With
Many
little
of you
present
out there
boxes
can
look.
attest
Cool.
to the envelope. The one
What
that
do you want to do with
reads,
this? Do you want to put it on your radio?
sorry,
Or?
Chris, we're not
Hello?
interested. Try
Put this
again
on your
next
radio?
year. Love, Harper. And the
Yeah.
thing that's really 4 years ago,
Holy crap, Connor. Pick it up.
That's me.
Connor! Calm down.
okay. It's like they know me or something. Stop.